Hi guys, welcome to the Vaporpool channel. My name is Jari and today I'm going to show you how to delegate your ADA. Okay, let's start. The first thing to do is to download the Yoroi wallet. You can download it from yoroi-wallet.com. Here you have a download button. You press on download, Chrome in my instance, and add it to Chrome. It takes a second, and as you can see, Yoroi has been added to Chrome. Next step is we open Yoroi. You choose your language. In this case, I'm choosing English. You agree with the terms of service. Continue. Okay, I'll do simple in this instance. For now, I'll skip Cardano payments URLs. You can always add that later. Skip and then confirm. Okay, let's start with creating a wallet. Okay, we pick Cardano in this case. We create a wallet. And the wallet name is my Cardano wallet. We also put in a spending password. This is not the most important thing, but you can spend your ADA if you don't have a spending password. I'm going to put in okay, yes, I've put in my password. Create the password. In this case, now it shows your recovery phrase. You will see 15 random words. You need to write them down, and also make sure nobody looks into your screen unless you want them to have access to your friends. So that's very important. Make sure you're not in a public space when seeing these 15 words. Okay, the next, and then continue. Okay, now you're going to write this down on the paper. Okay, the next thing to do when you have written down your 15 words, you need to confirm your 15 words. So let's press the button. Yes, I've written it down. The next thing to do is go from word 1 to 15 in the same exact order. So let's start. I had harsh, turn, basket, way, capable, subway, buddy, spawn, tent, wheel, point, green, boring, urge, and C. Yes, you need to confirm that your secret keys are held securely on this device, so only your computer. You also need to understand that if you have another computer, you will need the backup phrase, 15 words, to recover your funds. Always make sure to make a backup of those 15 words and store them at another place in your house or at a friend's house or someone you trust. Well, I confirm, and I now have my Cardano wallet. The next thing to do is to go to your exchange who holds your ADA. In my case, this is Binance, so I will open up Binance, go to my wallet, then go to the section withdrawal. I will fill in ADA, and as you can see I have 3000 ADA. I'll go to Yoroi, go to the Receive tab, copy my wallet address to the clipboard, paste it in here, go to Cardano, and press Max Cardano. You will see the transaction fee is 1 ADA and the receiver will get 2,972 ADA. And you will be the receiver, of course. Then submit, send the codes. Okay, now I filled in my verification security codes. Then I'll click on submit. And you can see your withdrawal request is submitted. This will mean the exchange will soon send your ADA to your wallet address. This can take a few minutes depending on your exchange. You can also save your address if you want that, so you can send it easier next time. Okay, now I'll open Yoroi again. And I have to wait a few seconds. Yes, you see it has appeared. My total ADA is now 2,972 ADA. Okay, now that you have your ADA in your wallet, you will want to stake it. This gives you a 5% return on ADA a year. Okay. Staking means you're delegating your ADA to a staking pool. So you go to the section that says delegation list. Of course, I would recommend Vapor for the 0% fee solar panels, so it's eco-friendly, and also the 250k pledge, which is quite a lot. You will type in Vapor, then search, and you will see a Vapor pool. You can see we have a return of ADA of 6.25, which is quite high. We have here our Twitter, Telegram, Facebook channel, YouTube channel, Discord, and our website. So if you want more information, you can visit those. Then we have the button Delegate here. Press the delegating button. The process will start, and you need to add your spending password. The current approximation of the rewards you will receive each epoch are 2 ADA. So an epoch is 5 days. Every 5 days you will roughly receive 2 ADA. Then press the delegate button. And you have now successfully delegated your ADA to the Vapor staking pool. This will mean you will receive the 5% ADA a year and will receive rewards every 5 days at the end of each epoch until you stop delegating with us. I hope you found this staking video useful, and I hope you delegate your ADA to Vapor. The first rewards will be paid out 4 epochs from now. So the first rewards of epoch 259 will come in 262. So it takes a while before you get your first rewards, but after that you will receive them every 5 days. I hope you like my video. Please consider to subscribe and join our staking pool. Liking also helps this video, and let us know what you think about the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.